Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating: the secret truth behind synchronicities. Yes, those mysterious, often inexplicable events that seem to happen at just the right moment. But here's the kicker: there's more to them than you think. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the hidden workings of synchronicities, but also learn how to attract more of them into your life. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, let's get into it. Have you ever thought of someone you haven't spoken to in years, and suddenly, you get a call or message from them? Or maybe you've been pondering a particular question, and out of nowhere, a book or an article lands in your lap with the exact answer you were looking for. These aren't mere coincidences. They're synchronicities, and they happen more often than you might realize. Now, let me share a little story with you. A friend of mine was once struggling to find a new job. He was frustrated, sending out resumes left and right with no success. One day, he decided to take a break and went for a walk. As he strolled through the park, he ran into an old colleague he hadn't seen in years. They got to talking, and guess what? His colleague knew about an opening at his company that wasn't even advertised yet. Long story short, my friend got the job. Coincidence? I think not. Alright, let's dive deeper. Carl Jung, a famous Swiss psychiatrist, coined the term synchronicity to describe these meaningful coincidences. Jung believed that synchronicities are not random but rather connected through a deeper level of reality that he called the collective unconscious. Essentially, he proposed that our inner world and the outer world are linked in ways we can't fully comprehend. When our inner state aligns with the outer world, synchronicities happen. Imagine this: you're a radio, and the universe is the signal. When you're tuned into the right frequency, you pick up the signal loud and clear. When you're not, all you get is static. Synchronicities are like those perfect moments when your radio catches the exact song you needed to hear. It's the universe's way of saying, hey, you're on the right track. Speaking of being on the right track, let's talk about how you can attract more synchronicities into your life. Here's the secret: it's all about your vibration. When you're in a positive state of mind, feeling joyful, grateful, and aligned with your true self, you naturally attract more synchronicities. Think of it as being a magnet for meaningful coincidences. One powerful way to raise your vibration is through meditation. When you meditate, you quiet your mind and tune into the present moment. This state of presence aligns you with the flow of the universe, making you more receptive to synchronicities. Try this. Spend just 10 minutes a day in meditation, focusing on your breath and letting go of any thoughts that arise. You'll be amazed at how quickly synchronicities start to appear. Another great tool is visualization. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals and desires. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing these images coming to life. This practice not only keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind, but also aligns your energy with the outcomes you desire, making you a magnet for synchronicities. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but what about when things aren't going so well? Can synchronicities still happen? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, some of the most profound synchronicities occur during challenging times. They can serve as gentle nudges from the universe, guiding you back to your path. Let me share another story. A few years ago, I was going through a tough period. Nothing seemed to be going right, and I was feeling pretty down. One evening, I decided to go for a drive to clear my head. As I was driving, I noticed a small bookstore that I'd never seen before. Something compelled me to stop and go inside. As I browsed the shelves, a book practically jumped out at me. It was exactly what I needed to read at that moment. That book helped me gain a new perspective and find the strength to move forward. Coincidence? I don't think so. Alright, let's talk about another aspect of synchronicities: patterns and symbols. Sometimes, the universe communicates with us through repeated patterns or symbols. It could be a specific number you keep seeing, like 111 or 444, or a recurring image or word. These patterns are like breadcrumbs, leading you towards something important. For example, Seeing the number 111 might indicate that you're on the right path and should keep going. Seeing 444 could be a sign that your angels or guides are with you, offering support and guidance. Pay attention to these patterns and symbols, as they often carry messages from the universe. And here's a fun fact: even animals can be messengers. Have you ever had an intimate encounter with an animal that seemed to mean something? Maybe a butterfly landed on your hand at a significant moment, or a bird appeared out of nowhere just when you needed reassurance. These animal encounters are often synchronicities, carrying messages of encouragement and support. So, how can you become more attuned to these signs and synchronicities? It's all about being present and aware. Slow down and notice the world around you. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and the events unfolding in your life. The more present and aware you are, the more you'll notice these magical moments. And remember, synchronicities aren't always grand or life-changing. Sometimes, they're small and subtle, like finding a parking spot right in front of the store or running into a friend when you need a pick-me-up. These little moments are just as significant and remind us that we are always supported and guided. Here are some practical tips to help you track and recognize more synchronicities. 1. Set an intention. Start your day by setting an intention to be open to synchronicities. Say something like, "I am open to the guidance and signs from the universe today." 2. Keep a journal. Write down the synchronicities you experience. This not only helps you recognize them, but also strengthens your belief in their power. 3. Express gratitude. When you notice a synchronicity, acknowledge it and express gratitude. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more positive experiences. 4. Stay curious. Approach life with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The more curious you are, the more open you'll be to noticing the magic around you. Now, let's talk about the science behind synchronicities. Yes, there's actually some science to back this up. According to quantum physics, everything in the universe is interconnected through a field of energy. This field, often referred to as the quantum field or the unified field, connects all things and allows for the transmission of information beyond the limitations of time and space. When you focus your thoughts and emotions on a particular outcome, you send ripples through this field. These ripples can influence events and circumstances, leading to synchronicities. Essentially, your thoughts and emotions create a magnetic field that attracts similar energy from the quantum field. So, in a way, you're like a cosmic DJ, spinning the tracks of your reality. Pretty cool, right? To wrap things up, let's remember that synchronicities are the universe's way of communicating with us, guiding us, and letting us know we are on the right path. They're not random coincidences, but meaningful events that reflect our inner state and our alignment with the flow of life. So, the next time you experience a synchronicity, take a moment to appreciate it. Know that you're connected to a greater whole, and the universe is always working in your favor. Embrace these magical moments and let them inspire and guide you on your journey. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video enlightening and inspiring. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration. And hey, drop a comment below sharing your synchronicity stories. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, stay open to the magic, stay curious, and keep shining your beautiful light. Remember, the universe has your back, always. See you in the next video.